Hey everyone, I'm out here for a little spring camping. Spring in Pennsylvania, going down to 30 tonight. Just wanted to do a quick review of Backpacker Pantry's pad thai. So I'm just going to show you what all comes with this meal, and then we'll just jump right back to it being fully prepared, so you don't need to watch water boiling, I'm sure. So it's really cool. It comes with a little packet of peanut butter. You've got some peanuts to sprinkle on top, and then that's the meal right there. It looks delicious, it smells delicious, and it's awesome that you get these little extra bags to add to it. So it's just 2¼ cups of water and 20 minutes of steeping. So, alright, we'll come back when it's finished. Thanks. Alright, 2¼ cups of water, steep for 20 minutes, sprinkle the peanuts. This is what you get. Backpacker's Pantry Pad Thai. It's really pretty delicious. I had a couple bites of it so far. The noodles rehydrate really nicely. It's pretty delicious. Actually, I think this is better than some pad thai that I've gotten from actual Thai restaurants. So really nice. The ingredients are pretty clean as well. I'm not going to be that guy that just reads off the nutritional facts and everything, but you can see there it's pretty nice ingredients: garlic, lime juice powder, crushed red pepper, sea salt, peanut butter, white vinegar. So this is one of the better dehydrated meals that I've had.